In a demonstration of the extent of the rainfall after heavy storms lashed the city, a child in California's South Lake Tahoe submerged himself completely in snow. Footage from the Californian city showed an excited boy jumping into a thick layer of snow that covered his entire body. According to the National Weather Service, the coldest air in nearly 5 years is set to arrive by the New Year's weekend, with frigid temperatures highly likely during the weekend. Forecast lows are in the single digits for much of western Nevada and well below zero in Sierra communities. Seattle residents have been taking advantage of the snow sports opportunities as temperatures have dropped along the east coast of America this week. One resident's video showed a man sledging down a snow-covered road in the city. According to the National Weather Service, Seattle recently experienced one of the coldest days in 31 years. Officials have warned temperatures will remain unseasonably cold through the rest of the week, with more snow expected and temperatures plummeting to -6 on some nights. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.